we're going to show you how to track your time using Clockify and the SlicingPie Grunt sheet. So you'd be using Clockify to track your time. You can install the app on your device, or you can use the web-based portal very easily. You would see a similar screen to this. When you're clocked in, you would say start. When you're done, you would click stop. There's a timer, and then it saves in your time that you spend working on whatever task. By default, you should be putting everything inside the work bucket. You can then find your hours by going through one of these reports. I believe this one's the best one, weekly report, where you could then drill down into here and see your total hours for the week. You should get into the habit of once a week, ideally Friday, coming in here after you wrap up your work week, getting your total hours, and then opening up the SlicingPie Worksheet, which is under Andy's Killer Team SlicingPie Grunt Fund model. You will find your tab named, there'll be a tab with your name on it. You would open that up and you would find the corresponding ending week and enter in your hours. And that's all. If you have additional expenses such as cash that you spend on a business or anything else, that's a different process, but you really shouldn't be incurring any of those as being just part of the contributing team. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or to anyone else on the team. Thank you.